Okay. To bring peace, love, happiness, and hair grease. Peace, love, happiness, and then hair grease. As you can tell by the title, everybody eat these, right? Some noodles in a pack, laying around somewhere. So, soup. We're going to do something different with it, right? I'm going to use these romaine noodles and fry up some fish with it, okay? So let's get into this video, because baby, I got some stuff to do. What I'm going to do first, we're going to add this canola oil. Get this grease hot. So how I'm going to crush this up, I'm going to put it in this bag. Yes, I'm going to keep it in the package, because just in case if it busts or spill out, that's the purpose of it. So I'm keeping it in this package, and I'm just going to smash it. Season our seafood. Like I said, we got tilapia here, been washed and cleaned. We're going to season this. We're going to season our shrimp. Got to have black pepper on fish. Onion powder, garlic powder, and then I got some cayenne pepper. I want it to be spicy. Kind of toss that around or fry it with mustard. Batter it up. Put it in the flour. Put it in the milk. And put it in the noodles. Y'all look at that. That's the fish. Ooh. Romaine noodles fried shrimp. The fish. Let's get this fish out. Let's get it out. Drain it. No extra oil. Hot. So, what you think? The heat. Woo, y'all. Look, y'all. Let me show you up close. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's the shrimp. Okay. Mmm. You ever try the fish? Here, have a bite. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.